What's up guys, welcome back to my channel, and today I'm gonna give you my honest review, 6-month review on my Honda Civic. I bought this Civic and I'm just happy with it, but I'm gonna give you the honest review what I really think about this Civic and if you should buy it or not. So guys, today I'm not gonna wear my glasses because I don't like the look of it. So today I'm just gonna make the video like this, and I'm able to see it mostly, and I know where there are potholes on this road because I drive every single day on this road. So I'm just gonna film like this. So I'm just really happy with this car. I'm just gonna say you in the starting because this is just like one of the best cars I can ever own and make videos with this car. I just love it. But there are few things which I don't like about this car, and these are just common things which people don't like about this Civic. Like the first thing that is just like owning a Honda owner name. Like if you are a Honda owner, people are just like, yo, you are a Honda owner and all this is happening and all that. But I'm like, okay, that's alright, but I'm not happy with that because people shouldn't say that. That is not the best thing that people are saying, and they are just putting me down, which is like, okay, like if you like it, you can do it. I won't say anything to you, but still you should think, what the hell are you doing? Like this shows that you are not a nice person and you just want to bash on people. Like, I don't understand why they do that. Not every single Honda owner is like that. Like I don't like to be a racer or do some racer stuff, but people always do that, and I don't know why they do that. So that is just like one thing which I don't like. Okay, I can live with that. I just have to live up to it. So it's been like around 8 months. Yep, it's been around 8 months. So I'm just giving you 6-month review because last 2 months I haven't driven this car that much. So I have owned this car for 8 months, but I have driven this car till like the lockdown started. So it's not been the best time to drive my car, and I haven't driven it that much. I think I have only driven it like 2,000 kilometers. Yep, I have only driven it like 2,271 kilometers, which is not that much. I'm just gonna convert it into miles and I'm just gonna put it here. So it's like not that much. I haven't driven it that much, but it's also because of the lockdown. I didn't had a lot of time to drive my car. I just took it to the college whenever I can, and those were the days when I was racking up kilometers on this car. Like other than that, I wasn't doing anything or taking my car on a road trip or something like that because it is really expensive to drive this car. I'll say that gasoline is just like really heavy on your pocket. I am not the one who can daily drive this kind of a car. Like still you can just be like, beer is just like really cheap, but at this point I'm in college and I don't have a lot of money for gasoline, and I'm like, okay, I just do whatever I can. Yep, I just do whatever I can and I don't think about it that much, but whenever I have money to drive this car, I just do that. People are just so dumb while they are driving. They just tend to come in front of you and they feel like they have the authority to be on the whole road and they don't want to give you some space. Like that is just like, I don't like it. That is really bad and I don't like it. I never do it personally, I just never do that. But people do that every single time and I am really pissed about that. I don't like it. But we cannot say anything to every single person because every other person is just doing this, and I cannot be angry on the road while I'm driving. If I am going to do that, I won't be able to drive on the road. So you'll be able to see from the view that this is the place where I film my videos at. Normally when I'm just standing in front of my car and filming my videos, but I'm not gonna film these type of videos that much because I have seen these videos are not that entertaining. I'm just gonna stop about ranting about all this stuff and I'm gonna go into the review and I'm gonna talk about this car more. So I just love this car, and this car is like really big. You don't see it and you don't feel like this car is a big car while you are watching it in a video, but this Civic is like a pretty big car. I can definitely say that, and I have lowered it. So in India, it's just like not the best thing to lower your car, but I have lowered it good enough, and I am able to drive it on most of the roads. But there are a lot of speed bumps which are just like really bad. I'm not able to go over them, so I just have to be really cautious, and I have to be at a perfect angle to go over them. And sometimes, even if I have a lot of angle, I am not able to go through. I am not able to go over them. So I just have to think of something. Like this is a speed bump. There is a speed bump. I'm gonna go over it, but it's like a normal, and just you are able to go easily over them. But there are some speed bumps which are just like really steep and high, and you, as soon as you are just gonna go over that speed bump, and your front wheels are gonna go down, your bottom, your side skirts, and all of your sides are just gonna hit that speed bump, and I don't like it. I scrape a lot on those speed bumps. Like you can see, I have a really good height of my car. It is really high from the ground, but still it scrapes sometimes. So that's why I'm not lowering more. And my parents were also like, you should lower it. That's why I'm not lowering anymore. Like let's see what future holds, if I want to lower it more or not. But at this time, I don't think so. Like I have seen like some of the Audis and BMWs, they are more lowered than this car, and I just feel like I think I can also do that. But the place where I live is just like a bit hideous to do all that. I don't know why I said hideous word, but this was just in my mind and I just said that. So this is a really nice car, but the seats of this car are just not the best, I'll say, because they are not hugging you. I fit pretty well and they are comfortable, but while you are doing something and you are just speeding and you are taking some tight corners, you are just going here and there, and it is not the best seats you can ever have in this car. So these stock seats are not good. So I would like to get some new seats for this car, but eventually I'll do that. So the next thing which I would like to talk about is the shifter of this car. Like, I hate the shifter of this car. I seriously hate this shifter. Like, it is so bad while I'm shifting. It is hard, and it just gets stuck sometimes. I don't know why. I just feel like it is not smooth. I do feel that this shifter is not that much smooth. So I would just like to get a new shifter for this car, and a short shifter. I think I'll get a short shifter for this car. That would be nice. I'll just feel really nice about driving this car. So I think I'm just gonna get a short shifter for this car. That would be really great. So I hope that you are liking these kind of videos in which I'm driving my car and then talking to you guys, and it's just like a bit more entertaining because you have something to watch rather than just staring at my face. Like, still I have my face in these videos, but I have the background and you are just able to see around my car more. So just comment down below if you are liking it or not, because I do like it. I do like to film these kind of videos more rather than just standing at a place and ranting about some stuff. So most of the time I just don't drive my car because of the gasoline. I don't have like money for gasoline, and I don't want to ask my parents for gasoline money every single day. So that's why I don't do that. Like, if I'm driving this car and if I'm taking it to the college and I'm just adding like 12-13 liters of gasoline in this car, it is gonna go in 2 days. Like, it is just gonna vanish. So it's not gonna vanish if the car is using that gasoline, but it's not good enough. The mileage is not good enough in this car. So I just have to deal with it, and I can only drive this car for 2 days with like 13 or 14 liters of gasoline, which is not that good. I have to do something. I cannot do anything about that, but I'm just trying to do something because I have driven my friend's car. I'm gonna review his car, and the friend who owns Titan Grand, Shubham, I'm gonna review his car too. So I have driven his car a lot. Yesterday too, I was driving his car and I drove like a lot. So I was just really shocked that his car gives a lot nicer mileage than my car, and I do like it. So his car is like small, and I can just drive that car anywhere. So that's easy to drive. So I can see in future I'll just have a daily driver like that. Like, not right now. Right now I don't have any money to buy another car. I just have to modify this car first, and I just want to do everything with this car. Then if I have extra money to buy another car, and I don't think I want to modify my daily, but eventually I will be modifying the daily too. So let's see what's gonna happen. But I would like to get a small car like that if I'm in Delhi. If I still am living in Delhi, then I would like to get that kind of car. But I would like to get a small car too. So this car is pretty good, and I am liking it, and I can see myself owning this car for a way longer time, and I just do love it. So let's see what I am gonna do to this car. But in short, I do love this car, and this is the only car, not the only car, but this is just on the top of my list of owning a car. This is on the top. Living in India specifically. Other than this, I would like to get a Mitsubishi Lancer, but that's not legal in New Delhi. It's legal in India, but that's not legal in New Delhi. So I would like to get a car, and that would be really entertaining to have a car, and I can just do whatever I want to with that car, because that is a nicer car. That is a nice car, and I just do love it. But enough of the other stuff. I just want to talk about this car, and I want to give you my honest review on this car. So it's really nice. So in total, this car is driven like 48,000 kilometers, which is not enough. Like, that's way too low, I'll say that. I bought this car at like 46,000 kilometers or something like that, and it's like at 48,015 kilometers to be exact. So that's great. I am not driving it that much, but I don't have that much time. There was the lockdown, so I wasn't able to drive it for 2 months straight up. I didn't even started this car for 2 months. That's really bad, but this car had a lot of problems after that. That's the main reason I didn't stop. So where I park my car, there are a lot of rats, and they chewed up a lot of stuff in my car. So I was really pissed at it. So that's why I wasn't driving my car. So I'm gonna park my car here. I just did a small skate because I wanted to. I just love doing that, and I'm gonna show you the exterior of the car, how it looks like, and I'm just gonna hope that you are gonna enjoy it. This is the skid I have, so I just pulled the e-brake. I pulled it there, and it came till here, so that's a really long distance, but I don't have 11s as I should have. So I think I need to get that fixed. I need to get my right side fixed because that is not stopping properly. So I need to get that fixed. My handbrake is not working 100%. It is just working with the left tire, and I have to get that fixed. But now you can see my car looks so much better with that aftermarket exhaust. That is an HKS exhaust, and I am happy with this exhaust. I am really happy. So eventually I am gonna get, like, sometime, like I think in this month or next month, I'm gonna get my new symbols for my car, because I have ordered them and it is just taking a long time because of COVID-19. And those are some aftermarket logos. They are just gonna look really nice, so I'll get that done. My car is like really clean, and I'm really happy with it. It looks really clean. Somebody broke this, as I told you in yesterday's video. Just do this, like while I'm driving and I go on a bump or anywhere, it is like free, and it is going here and there, and this is not nice. I need to get this fixed. And this was the scratch, which was while my brother was parking the car, he did that. So I am not gonna deal with this. I have to get it fixed, but I didn't do that. I just love this. I am really liking the look of my car, and it has started coming to life after getting an exhaust. It just looks really nice. So my roof is black, as you have seen in my video. So the roof is black, it is wrapped, and I did got my sunroof like taped up. This is vinyl wrap, so it was leaking and I wasn't able to get it fixed on the shop, so I have to just seal it with vinyl wrap because I am not able to get the rubber which is used inside the sunroof. So I need to get that. So I'm just gonna wait for it. Let's just see how long it's gonna take, but I'm just waiting on that. It sounds really nice when I rev it. I hope you were able to hear it, but the camera doesn't do the justice. I know that. So it does sounds really nice, and I do love it. I hope you were able to hear the sound of the car because it does sounds really nice. And I just love it. This was the first time when I revved my car this much, and it does sounds nice. It have a nice rumble to it. I do like it, and I think I am gonna do that more with my car because I do like to drive my car roughly because these are made for this thing only. You just need to enjoy while you are driving, and I do like this car. And it's just really nice to drive this car like this. So I think today it was really fun making this video, and I did enjoy filming this video, and I hope you guys also loved watching this video because this was the honest review I think of my car, and I just told you about all of the things I not like about this car. There are not that many things which I don't like, so that's why I wasn't pointing out a lot of stuff in this car because I don't have a lot of cars to compare it with. I just feel like at this point of time I love it. I have only driven like 4 or 5 cars other than this car, so I cannot compare it with a lot of cars. And I have also driven like in those 4 or 5 cars too. 3 of them are small and 1 of them is big, so I don't have a really good like knowledge on a different car which I have driven, so I don't want to just read some reviews or something and I want to drive my car. I want to drive the other car and then I want to say something about it. I don't want to just say on the sake of other people that they don't like it, so I am also not gonna like it. I don't want to do it like that. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video and you just loved it and you just liked the review, and if you want to buy this car you can, and it's like a really nice car. So thank you guys for watching my video. I hope you enjoyed it. Just smash the like button and subscribe to my channel because you know that helps me a lot. Thank you guys. Peace out.